Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here, and today we have two rational expressions which we need to simplify to lowest terms. Notice that we're adding these together. Since we're adding two rational expressions, we need to add them just like we would any other fraction, with a common denominator. And notice that these two rational expressions do not have the same denominator. So let's keep the denominator of the first one. We'll leave the whole thing alone. And then let's see what happens when we rewrite the denominator of the second one. We're just going to put the terms in the same order, with x first and then y. So that would be negative x plus y. Now if we compare the denominator of our first fraction and the denominator of our second fraction, notice that the terms are opposites. Since they're opposites, we can factor out a negative 1 from this denominator, and we would have x minus y, which is what we would need for a common denominator. So let's do that. So our first stays as 5 over x minus y, and our second is negative 5 over negative 1 times x minus y. Okay, they're very close to being the same denominator. What else can we simplify? Well, how about the negative 5 and the negative 1? Those would simplify to give us a positive 5 in the numerator. So we have 5 over x minus y plus 5 over x minus y. Now that we have a common denominator, x minus y, we can add the numerators, 5 plus 5, and we get 10 over x minus y.